Hello everybody and welcome to this comparison video of IronPDF and SpirePDF. So I've created this project for SpirePDF using .NET 6 framework. I've installed the SpirePDF library and you can install it through the NuGet package manager or from the NuGet website. So let's move to the code file. Here I've imported the important packages in the code file to use the SpirePDF library. I've used the URL of the Radix DLT website for converting HTML to PDF. So the website looks like this in the browser. It has a beautiful background and a logo on it and two buttons with headings in different colors. There's a code box also present on the website. So it's a pretty complex website to convert into PDF. So for using SpirePDF, we'll have to install a plugin to convert HTML to PDF, and you have to set the plugin path for using it. I've already downloaded it to my local machine, and you can get it on the SpirePDF website. After that, I use a convert function, and in the parameter, I pass the URL, the file name of the output PDF file, and other parameters like new size and PDF margins, which you can set according to your preference. Alright, so let's run the project. And we'll wait for it to complete. As you can see, the plugin is loaded and it has started to convert, so we'll just wait for it to complete. Alright, there we go. Process is completed, so let's go ahead and see the output file generated by SpirePDF. So this is the output file generated by SpirePDF. It looks good, but it's missing a few things. At first glance, you'll notice that the logo is missing from the header. The front page is also missing in the hero section. You'll notice that the side background shapes failed to render. The code box, which was present after the hero section, is missing in the output PDF file. The images of the paragraphs failed to render, and there's no really sign that there was an image at all. So to me, the SpirePDF is not great in the sense of images. It also missed some CSS files too. It rendered the PDF earlier than some CSS files and images loaded. So let's go ahead and see how the IronPDF renders this web page in PDF. So this project is the IronPDF. I used the console application template and the .NET 6 framework. I already installed the latest versions of the IronPDF, and you can install that through the NuGet package manager or from the NuGet website. So let's go ahead and move to the code file. I imported the IronPDF package at the top file. After that, I created an object of Chrome PDF render, which will help us to convert HTML to PDF. I set the viewport width and set the fit to paper mode according to our needs. And these options are for making sure that it's responsiveness of a PDF file. I use the render URL as a PDF function to convert the web page to PDF. And then finally, I use the save as function to save the output PDF file. And I gave the output PDF file name. So let's go ahead and run the project and see the output of the IronPDF library. So as you can see, the IronPDF has started converting, so we'll wait for it to complete, and it's already done. So let's check the output file. So this is the output file generated by IronPDF. It's really good. The logo's present on the header. Background shapes are also rendered, all the CSS files are loaded, and everything works perfectly. All the images are rendered great, compression and size issues there are none of. So PDF is very responsive and it fits within the size. The code box also rendered perfectly without any error. Text and button colors are the same as the original web page. Overall, a perfect PDF is generated by IronPDF. So now let's go ahead and see the output of the SpirePDF next to the IronPDF for comparison. So here you can see both the output PDF files side by side. You can see IronPDF renders everything perfectly. On the other hand, SpirePDF does fail to render images and some CSS files too. You can see that there are clear differences between both of those outputs. So I really hope that this comparison helps make things clear if you're currently deciding which product is better for your project needs. All right. I hope this comparison video was helpful. And as always, if you need any help, our support team is standing by, ready to assist.